Hey, Mark, how you doing? This is Jimmy down in New York beside Jim. Yeah. Hey, you want to do anything about your buddy Peter Horn there, Raven, a.k.a. Raven Loon, on your forum? I'm getting a little tired of the nasty trolling and crap that you're allowing this guy to do. And, it's bubbling off on you and your forum. And if you don't want Rick posting, getting upset, well, that's what he did. He saw Peter, what he was doing, and he started a forum. So, and you know me, I don't take no bullshit from nobody. Also, I'm aware that Todd knows where you work up there and willing to give your boss a call, my friend. So, hopefully you'll get the picture there, Mark, and delete the shit off your forum. And I don't like my name being used, so you can notify Mr. Chazcom to revise his post, please, and remove my name. If I wanted to use my regular name on watch forums, Mark, I would post my regular name myself. But 99.9% of all people in the world do not use their real names on the internet. So I think it's quite clear that the guy's a troll too. So hopefully you can take care of it and adjust some of these posts on your forum, Mark, and maybe delete them, and I'll see to it that Todd or Ricky takes care and wipes down his stuff. How's that for an agreement? I mean, it is holiday time coming up. Why don't we get rid of all this crap? I'll do what I can do, and as long as you do what you can do, and I appreciate it. Anyway, you take care and have a nice holiday. Bye-bye now.
Sunday.